Hello, my name is Bob Kelly, Director of Product Management at Flexera, and I'm going to talk to you very quickly about the new Vendor Patch module for Software Vulnerability Manager. Most of the time IT pros spend patching is dedicated to actually creating the patches, finding those patches, determining what the silent installation possibilities are, and testing that just takes too long. Lucky for you, Software Vulnerability Manager's research, assessment, and prioritization capabilities can now leverage the largest collection of patch data available anywhere. The Vendor Patch module saves you considerable time by providing an integrated set of patches for deployment, over 1,000 out of the box, and details on over 1,000 others to help you create your own. It includes patches that are not security related, and it includes over 100 patches for Mac. What Vendor Patch module is not is a patch catalog. Patch catalogs don't provide insight into security risk, they don't provide help with prioritization, and with SVM, we're detecting over 50,000 software versions and can align that directly with curated vulnerability and threat intelligence for effective prioritization. That, plus the largest set of patches available anywhere, makes Software Vulnerability Manager the best solution to attack this critical challenge. So let's dive right in and have a look. There are a lot of patches here, as you can see. What you see can be controlled by filters. If I go a couple pages in, you'll see there's a lot of Firefoxes here with different languages. That's because they release them as different language setups. But you can go in here and specify just those you care about. These will be on by default, and that'll shrink the list down to just the languages you care about. You can also filter on previously created smart groups or sort by criticality, threat score, or number of prevalent instances. This one in blue here is deployment ready. If I go in and look at the patch information, I can see that I have all the information I need for a patch right out of the box. So all I have to do is say create update package. Here's the critical information. The silent command line, we've got it. The file to be deployed, we've got it. And now on this third page, the applicability criteria that dictates is this version of the application one that should be installed on the endpoint or not. Those are the three pieces of information that are critical to a publishable patch in WSUS. So here's one that's not blue. It's missing something. Will be warned. And now we look at this first page and it looks like we've got the command line and the file. But we're missing the detection rule. So we can just add a path. If this were something assessed in your environment, there'd be paths where it was found that you could just select, but in some cases we don't have a good default and you'll have to add one. With that, you've got what you need and the patch is ready to go. So in addition to all these Windows packages, we've also got some Mac packages. Those you can download and deploy on your own, but can't be published directly from SVM. Let's take a look at one more. So this package is missing something. In this case, the silent command line. It may not have one, in which case a tool like Admin Studio can be used to repackage your own silent deployment. See it for yourself in the latest version of Software Vulnerability Manager, or contact your customer success manager or sales representative for a demonstration.